Alright, you guys still there? So a lot of folks want to know what's the secret to getting the barbecue or the charcoal all flamed up, light up easily. I've seen people try to light the charcoal with candle. I've seen them try to light it up with old cardboard paper, try to light it up with old plastic material, which is not good. The only thing you need is old reliable tissue. Any type of tissue will do, along with some cooking oil. And I reuse the old oil that I've used to maybe fry something yesterday. I'll take that and I'll soak the tissue with oil, and I'll place it underneath a little bit of the charcoal, and then give that a lid and give it a couple of minutes, and it should light up easy, right? So let me show you that process quickly outside. At a closer glance, so I have it piled up on top of the tissue. That's pretty much it, and I'll give it a light and just leave it there for a while. So that'll flame, tissue will burn, it'll start burning the charcoal also. So I leave it here for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then I spread it over and I add more charcoal on it in order for it to be properly lit up. So just gonna show you that, and then we'll get that meat on the grill. Easy as that, and people would normally hustle with lighting the fire. I've seen people try many techniques. This one is the easiest, it works fine, and give it a couple minutes and this is gonna be nice and hot and ready for the meat, right? No need for any plastic burning, no need for any charcoal lighter fluid. I see people try candle. This one is just a breeze. So tissue along with a little bit of old oil, you soak it in, you light it up underneath the coal, have it breathe. That's it. That's pretty much it. Flame is burning. Good, looking good. Yup, it's finished. You can tell it's done, it's cooked all the way through. Done. Yup, these are good, these are good. These are ready for the eating. Caribbean style barbecue, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so here's what's happening today. We're doing good old Belizean barbecue. Right? Well, call it Caribbean barbecue if you want to, but it's all barbecue chicken. Last time I did some barbecue pork, and so we're just doing some barbecue chicken today, right? So let me show you how that looks. Of course, again, we spoke about me making this grill. It's made out from cement block filled up with concrete. Kind of roughed it up a little, and that's my concrete slab set on top. A little metal plating so that the cement doesn't crack and start throwing pieces at me. And then the grill is just set on top, right? So not too shabby. me show you quickly how this meat, how they're looking. Looking good right now, but some of them will begin to brown now. So I gotta keep turning. As long as I keep turning them, they should be okay. Later on, I'll see. And I missed the lighting part, so I have to show you guys how to properly light up this grill. Also, it took me a little while to get like all lit up. And apparently, some part of my grill wasn't greased too much, so. Oh, this heat is killing me now, and the breeze is not helping. Alright, you gotta keep me busy. So I could drop this temperature a little. To drop the temperature, I'll just add a little bit of water to the grill. So that's where we are. Whew. It's a whole next amount of nice barbecue. You don't know what? Lunch look good, I tell you. She's my number one. Yeah, so the barbecue vibes. The barbecue vibes continue. We'll be grilling. All chicken. Last night I did the lighting of the grill. Today we just continue getting all the grilling done, That's how we do it, Belize and style. I definitely will do some more outdoor cooking for you guys. So just keep in tune, Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to see me cook some more food, leave it in the comment. Tell me what you want to see me cook, I'll do it, So I look in the mirror. When I look in the mirror. Yeah, this is just one of those Fridays when you just got to take a break from everything. Getting some cooking. Just doing something different. Doing something different with life, before I get back to work. And of course, every day is work. As long as you make work a hobby. And for me, work, all my job that I do, they're all hobbies to me. So whether it's photography, whether it's fixing computers, whether it's doing some networking, whether it's just doing some consultation or some teaching with some people, or just explaining how some technology works, if it's not technology, doing some construction upstairs, everything for me is a hobby. As long as you make everything in your life a hobby, everything is going to be easy, right? Of course, you'll always have people who be hating, but that's just a part of it, and you learn to ignore those and just try to live as stress-free as possible. What, man? Hey, man. One of the main things I always push is that you always want to be self-reliant, self-sustained, in terms of you being able to provide for yourself, or you being able to do everything for yourself, right? There are going to be things that you don't know, of course. But there's always YouTube, you're finding me on YouTube. And so there's always YouTube to find things that you don't know and to perfect that. I'm not saying that you're going to be the best of it, the best at it, but I'm saying that it's going to be something that you can try and get it work for you, right? So keep being you, keep expanding, keep leveling up, right? Every time I do something new, I call it that I level up. Every time I play a game and you move into a new level, you're learning new skills, you're picking up, you're able to do something else, so you're leveling up, right? So keep leveling up. What we want to do is to check if the meat is ready. I want a way to do that because it's hard for some people to tell whether the meat is ready or not. So one of the things I do is that I will hold the meat and I will cut right here. Take a knife cutter here. You will see that meat is cooked all through. There's no blood. It means that it's cooked. Compared to this, because if I look at this, I would say that this meat is ready. But if I hold on to it and I cut here, notice the meat is still kind of raw, which means it needs a little bit more time to cook. So if you want to know if your meat is cooking, that's what you do. Take the knife, cut it, check if there's any blood. If there's blood, it means it's not cooked. Some people like their meat medium rare. In Belize, we don't eat it medium rare. We like it well cooked, well done. Yeah.